Guys, your favorite YouTuber is back. Or, again, not your favorite, but this will probably load. But this entire video is about me just disclosing about my manga progress. That's literally it. Because if you check in the channel, I've had part one. So I was thinking, hey, let me make a part two. So as you can see, I've been working a lot on my manga lately. Everything's really been coming together. I haven't made that much. This is the last page I've shown. This is the page I showed in the short, sorry. And this is the pages I've made new. It's the new pages I'm working on. And this is basically the page I am working on. Because I first have to storyboard, which if you are a manga artist or you want to get into that thing, storyboarding is like very important because it's better to have you draw the story before than to draw it and like knowing there's no coming back. Because like here you're able to do the emotions, to do them properly, poses, you can repose them here before you put on the final product, and you can look at the dialogue, see if the dialogue's organic, stuff like that, natural dialogue, stuff like this. You see what I mean? Like stuff like this, bro. So it's the little stuff that really matters the most when you make manga. So this, that. No, whoa. Hey, censorship. But I'm just saying, nothing really crazy. Just wanted to do a manga check for my channel. And yeah, because I did not really prepare that much. But guys, please tell me if you want any type of tutorial in the comments. Like it can be anything, but not feet. I swear I can't also draw feet. Feet are way too complicated. Like bro, feet. Look, let me show you something. I literally tried doing feet, and that's not a feet, bro. I'm gonna remodel that eventually, but that's not a foot. But yeah, I hope I can end it for you. Hope you like and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Yippee!